Hello students, this is Rajvi from J.H.B Sardar Primary School. Let us begin and make maths fun. Now we are beginning with Standard 6, Chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. These slides represent overview of the chapter that we will see one by one. Introduction. In the lower class, we studied about numbers and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Do you know how to find the place value of the digits? In these sections, let us know how to identify the place value of the digits and comparison between the numbers. Here you can see Indian system and international system. In an Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arabs and 10 arabs. But in this chapter, we have to learn up to 10 crores. Now in an international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here you can observe that things in Indian and international system, in both the system, 10 up to 10,000 both are same. But after 10,000, 100,000, and in an Indian system 1 lakh. In an international system 1 million is equal to in an Indian system 10 lakh. In an international system 10 million is equal to in an Indian system 1 crore. Now estimating and comparing the number. Let us know how to estimate and compare the number. Here we have two numbers 9 and 8. As we already know that number 9 is greater than number 8. Now let us find the comparison between two numbers in case of the higher numbers. For example, let us consider two numbers 65895 and 64982. To compare these two numbers, first check the digit. Both are on 10,000 place. So we are taking first 10,000 place. 6 is same in both the cases. So 6 is equal to 6. Now go for next value. In this value, which is in the thousand place, now we again by comparing these two digits, we observe that 5 is greater than 4. So that we conclude that the number 65895 is greater than 64982. Now, how many numbers can you make? Do you know? Can you illustrate greatest number among 10? Think it. Now, for example, two given number 4 and 7. There are two possible sets, that is 47 and 74. Now let us see the rule for making number. Rule 1. Suppose 0 is one of the digits, then we cannot make a smaller number starting with 0. In such cases, the first digit will be a number greater than 0 and less than the other digit. Example, if 0, 5 and 2 of the given three numbers, then the possible set of numbers are 205, 250, 502 and 520, which are in increasing order. Now rule 2. The digit in the numbers should not be repeated unless they are given. Now given sets of individual number is 2, 4, 2. Then the number can be formed as 422, 242 and 224, which are a descending order. Now rule 3. If all the given sets of the numbers are the same, then we can make the numbers as only one set. Now shifting the digit. Let the number be 364 By shifting the digit, we can make largest and smallest number. Now you can see here, we can make 6 sets of the number as shown. Here we observe that we will first see greatest number. That 100 place, 6 is the greatest number of 6. Here also 6. Now second place, in a tens place, that is 4, and here 3. So we can say 643 is the greatest number. Now form the smallest number. First check 100 place, here also 3 and here also 3. Now in a tens place it is 4 and it is 6. So we can say 346 is the smallest number. Now introducing 1000 and 10,000 place. Here we say that up to tens, hundreds and ones. Now 10,000. We know the greatest single digit number is 9 and there is a no single digit number more than 9. And the greatest two digit number is 99. Beyond that, there are no more number two digit numbers. Similarly, the greatest three digit number is 999 and the greatest four digit number is 9999. Now, so the pattern show on the screen. We observe that greatest single digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest two digit number. Greatest two digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest three digit number. Greatest three digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest four digit number. Same like greatest four digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 5 digit number. Same like greatest 5 digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 6 digit number. Now we will see about place. Look at the number 85. Now here 5 is on ones place and 8 is in tens place. Then such that the multiply the digit with their respective place. 8 into 10 plus 1, 5 into 1 is equal to 85. Now we will see 3 digit number. 9 in a 100 place and 8 on a tens place and 5 in a ones place. Now multiply with 100. 9 into 100, 8 into 10 and 5 into 1 is equal to 985. Same like 1000 place. Now 1 is in 1000 place. The 1 into 1000, 9 into 100, 8 into 10, 5 into 1 is equal to 1985. Now for 10,000. Here you can see 2 is in a 10,000 place, 1 is in 1000 place, 9 is in 100 place, 8 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. So we have to multiply 2 into 10,000, 1 into 1000, 9 into 100, 8 into tens and 5 into ones. It will become 21,985. Now introduced into large numbers. Before that, we will find the place value of the larger number. Here we have numbers 5, 4, 9, 8, 7, 9, 4, 4. Here we can see 5 is in crores place, 4 is in 10 lakhs place, 9 is in lakhs place, 8 is in 10,000 place, 7 is in 1000 place, 9 is in 100 place, 4 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. Now, how we can read this number? We can read like 5 crores 49 lakh 87,944. The following table shows that numbers up to lakhs and crores. Now here you can see 1 crore. 1 crore is equal to in a 100 lakhs because 10 lakhs after that 100 lakhs will come. is equal to 10,000 thousand. 1 is lakh is equal to 100,000. Now we will do one activity. Now, the objective of the activity is to know the number of their place value. The material required for these activities are a paper strip, pencil, pair of scissors. Let us consider any number. Here we will consider number is 453281 to know the place values. Now take a paper and cut it to make a strip and fold it as shown in the image. You have to cut like this. After that, make as assumed number as shown in the image. 453281. Leave one block. Now write zeros and plus on the hidden side of the strip here. You can see here. And fold its strips as shown in the image. To read the number, written strips and expand it. See here you can see. Here 4,50,000, 3,000, 280 and 1. Now conclusion. We need to know the zeros of the place value first to know the numbers, and only then we can easily find what is the number, it's a place. Now in this section we are going to learn about using commas in a large numbers. We have often using the commas by writing numbers. Commas helps us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of the numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs, crores, and so on. Now let's see. Now you have to heard about the conversation. First, what is the commas? Commas is the punctuation marks indicating pause between a part of a sentence or separating item in a list. How to use it? Let us go to details in using commas in numbers. Here you can observe 4, 5, 7, 1, 5, 6, 5, 2. Now first commas put after 100 place. Second comma comes 2-digit letters, that is 5 digit from the right side. It comes after 10,000 and it is called 10,000 place. Now after that again 2 digit we have to mark put 1 commas. Now here some examples. You have to read that example. How to read it? First is 5,34,840. Now letter 2 you have to learn it. Now here you can see international system of the numeration. As earlier I told you that what is the difference between Indian system and the international system. First of all, in an Indian system and in an international system, in a both system up to 10,000 both are same. After that it will be changed. One more thing we observe in a place value, that in the Indian system first we are putting comma after 3 digit, means after 100 place. Now we will see about international system. In an international system numeration we are using ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then after millions, billions, trillions and so on. Here commas comes after every 3 digit from the right. Let us see the explanation using the international system of the numeration. Suppose the number is 53635798. And how to write that number in Indian system and international system. Look here, In an Indian system, we will write before 100 we will put 1 comma, after 2 digit again comma, after 2 digit again 2 comma. But in an international system we have to put 3, again 3 and again 3. Then how can you read that number in an Indian system as well as international system? We will see about it how we can read it. In an Indian system, you can read it 5 crore 36 lakh 35,798. But in an international system, how you can read 53,635,798. Now, large numbers used in our daily life. Situation to measure the length. Different situation. First, measure the length. As we know that which is denoted by m, meter, is it unit of length. If we want to measure the distance of the school from your home, we use kilometers, km. If we want to measure the length of a pencil, we use centimeters. But if we want to measure the thickness of the cardboard, we use millimeter. For example, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Like it, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometers. We can convert as per our requirement. Let us see where to use kilometers, centimeters and millimeters. Now give the appropriate answer for the following questions. Distance from your home to school is measured in. Second question. Length of the pen is measured in. Thickness of a book is measured in. Now, large numbers used in a daily life to measure the weight. In the same ways, we buy rice and wheat in the kilogram. But if we want to buy small quantity, we use measurement like milligrams, grams. Let us see the relation between them. 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilograms. Now, see some questions where to use kilograms and grams and milligrams. Give appropriate answer. First question, rise of the bag is measured in. Second question, packets is measured in. Third question. Now, large number used in a daily life situation to measure liquid. For measuring the liquid, we use like liters, milliliters and kiloliters. Let us see the relation. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliters. Let us see where to use kiloliters, liters and milliliters. Give appropriate option. Water in the water tank, measure in liters, kiloliters or milliliters. Water in a water bottles, measure in liters, kiloliters and milliliters. Liquid in a cough syrup bottle is measured in liters, kiloliters and milliliters. Now in our daily life we came across many situations as 500 students nearly assemble in the school prayer. 15,000 people approximately visit Ramoji Film City daily. 10,000 tons weight roughly lifted by a heavy crane. The words nearly, approximately, roughly, so that something it almost near to the number but not completely. That we will see in the next video. If you have any query, you can write in my YouTube channel. Thank you.